Welcome to video 3. My name is David Clark. How does this rotation mindset eating challenge work? Follow this short video on how to activate this challenge. Before you activate the 3-day challenge, please give yourself some time to prepare. Now, let's recap the 2 videos you have just examined. In video 1, Cabello taught you about portion perception techniques, and in video 2, we discussed desire gap time. These are the basics of the challenge. And after going through the 2 videos and the document, you should be ready to undertake this 3-day task. You will have 8 meal swipe events in a day, and you are not allowed to exceed 60% motion sensor planning within a 12-hour daytime frame. The goal of this challenge is to guide your eating behavior toward a possible 1.5 kilograms weight loss within 3 days. On Psychology page 1, there is a section describing the 10 eating science theories. Don't stress yourself. Step by step, you will come to understand the integration of this science. Now, let's say this is your breakfast at around 7 a.m., a small bowl of oatmeal without milk, accompanied by a medium fruit as part of the meal. The scoring card gives you -5%, meaning you are below 0% and far from reaching 60%. Let's say that after a 3-hour desire gap time, at around 10 a.m., you grab a large portion of nuts as your snack. Your overall cash balance becomes 0%. At this stage, Cabello has no doubt that you now understand how the taxing rule works. Remember, if the nuts were consumed in small or medium quantities, the cash balance would have stretched to -10%, moving you further away from the 60% motion sensor. Now, let's say that after another 3-hour desire gap time, at around 1 p.m., you plan for a medium portion of grilled chicken salad, along with a roll and a small glass of juice. Your cash balance then becomes 30%. Meaning you are 30% closer to the motion sensor reading. Now, let's say that after a 2-hour desire gap time at around 3 p.m., someone smart decides to use the R card and decides to eat yogurt and a small fruit, with no taxes applied. The cash balance becomes 25%. Remember, one of the goals of this challenge is to direct behaviors toward weight loss. Let us explain something so interesting. The 3 examples demonstrate collections throughout the day. Let's say you have collected 3 XR cards, no taxes, which means you have -15%. If you have collected 1 X mini card, no taxes, that means you have 30%. If you have collected 1 X maxi card, with taxes, that means you have 45%. This results in a total of 5 meal swipe events or 5 actions, with an overall collection of approximately 60%. In this example, we have not stated time because we don't know the desire gap time. It could be before 10 a.m., 1 p.m., we don't know. Okay, let's come back here. If this person, on action 5, collects a MaxiCard with taxes at around 6 p.m., which gives an additional 45%, the cash balance would now become 70%. At this stage, we are no longer just discussing weight loss. We are now focusing on redirecting behaviors toward effective weight control with 3 remaining meal swipes, aiming to avoid weight gain at the end of the 3-day mindset challenge. Thank you for watching this video. Grab yourself this practice document and let's start.